Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix StudentAid.gov login problems. FSA ID recovery step by step clearly. Gov login problems by recovering your FSA ID step by step. Open your web browser and go to StudentAid.gov. Click the Sign In button at the top right of the page. On the login screen, select the link that says Forgot My Username. Choose how you want to recover your username, such as email, phone, or challenge questions. Enter the requested information exactly as it appears on your FSA ID profile. Check your email inbox and spam folder for the StudentAid.gov message if you used email recovery. If you used phone recovery, enter the one-time code that is sent to your mobile number. Write down your recovered username in a safe place for future logins. Return to the sign-in page and select Forgot My Password. Enter your recovered username and click Continue. Choose the password reset method and complete the verification steps. Create a new strong password with a mix of uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. Confirm the new password and submit the reset request. Go back to the sign-in page and log in using your username and new password. If you see an account lock message, wait the stated time and avoid repeated attempts. Clear your browser cache and cookies if the sign-in page keeps looping or not loading. Try an incognito or private window to rule out saved session issues. Disable browser extensions like ad blockers temporarily if buttons do not work. Switch to another browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox to test compatibility. Make sure your device date and time are set to automatic to prevent security errors. If multi-factor authentication prompts you, confirm you can access your email or phone. Update your contact information inside your account once you successfully log in. If you cannot access your email or phone, select the option to update recovery methods if available. If your identity cannot be verified online, follow the on-screen instructions for account recovery support. Avoid using public Wi-Fi while resetting your FSA ID to protect your personal data. Take a screenshot of any error code and write down the exact message you see. Visit the StudentAid.gov Help Center and search the error code for official guidance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.